Hey guys, welcome back to the Beef and BArnzy channel. Today we have the Belmo ball, the new Identity. Got the Belmo logo on it, of course. So what we're looking at? Well, it's got Rex Pearl cover on it. It's got a ID AI core, not seen that one yet, so that's a new core. Power Edge, of course, and we're looking at 251, 055, 011. So not the most asymmetrical ball I've ever seen. Kind of that slightly higher RG, I guess, for a asymmetrical ball. I'm back here at Highland Lanes. We're gonna bowl on the house shot. I went with the kind of standard 5.5 inch pin with a 4.5 inch mass bias and a 3 inch pin buffer. This one, if you haven't already ordered one, you might be shit out of luck. It's a super limited edition. But if you check out our friends at Bowlers Mart, I believe they still have some in stock as of me recording this video. So what am I expecting it to do? Well, from some of the videos I've seen, it seems like it's fairly clean and quite angular, which with it being a Belmo ball sort of makes sense. So I don't have one, but I would think the Virtual Energy Blackout might be a reasonable comparison. I do actually have an Equinox with me, so I'm going to try that. It's got the same layout on it, so that will be kind of our, I guess, test ball or control ball. So anyway, let's get on with the video. Let's throw some strikes. Okay, so we're on the lane, Identity. It's not been down the lane yet. We've got a fresh house shot behind us. Kind of excited to see what this does. So this is the very first shot. You're seeing it with me. Let's bowl a game and see what happens. All right, here we go. Well, that was a fun start. Wow. That one, it was clean, that's for sure. Let's see. Yeah. Nothing crazy with the flare. All right. Let's go to work. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fun. So, gets through the front part of the lane, you know, pretty good. I made a little bit of a move left off that first shot. Yeah, this could be a fun one. Wow. Okay. Well done, Belmo. Well done. I think you might have finally found something that I really, really like. I mean, I thought Timeless was decent to start with. Wow. Well, that's cool. Kind of disappointed this limited edition now. All right. Let's just keep following this left. Holy shit, that one peeled. Wow. Well, 300 wash, that's the front five. Oh, that's way left. Woo! Yay! Well, this is fun. This is almost a little bit of unexpected fun as well. I was kind of expecting it to come off the spot. I was just a little worried that it might have been Like for me, this is a little earlier than a Vibo. Oh my God. Wow, that was bad. Wowza. Okay. Well, at least you know it's not totally the lane condition. All right. Now we can get back to throwing some decent shots. Let's move a little right. That was good. Yeah, that was fun. Okay. A little bit ambitious. I don't know, my shot making's been as good after those initial first few shots. Let's have a look. Let's try and throw a couple more good ones. Too strong to be that close to the friction. Okay. Let's get back to where it was happy. There we go. I thought that one might have flat 10'd, but it got around the corner, got the 10 out. You can say, fun times. What we got? We got 8 strikes out of 10. Okay. All right. So, like what I see out of that, here is the Equinox. I don't know that this is going to look massively different on this, but we will see. Okay, so for me, that Equinox definitely pushed further down the lane. I think that's kind of what I would expect, given the cover on that and the cover on this this REX Pearl. So another one with this Equinox. Yeah, I mean, might be because this is a brand new ball, but definitely looks like the identity is a little earlier and a little more off the spot than the Equinox. I found the Equinox to be fairly smooth, so I guess that kind of makes sense. Let's give this one more try. Whew. Well, that's a fun ball. The identity, it's available now, super limited, so make sure you get down to your VIP Pro Shop and pick one up. It's actually a lot prettier than the renders made it look, so yeah. The only downside for me is it smells of cherry and I don't like cherry. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, we're on our way to 30,000 and I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye-bye now.